Hi guys, so basically what's inside the Divoom bag, okay, basically there's a pouch here where it comes with a USB cable where you plug in your power bank to lit up the screen in front. And then next we have two small pockets here and two more slots here where you can actually place your laptops, maybe up to 15-inch, maybe. Okay, this is the Divoom size M. Okay, so the instructions all here, as well as the warranty. Okay, and lastly will be a keychain where you can actually place your keys, your house keys, and you can actually remove them. Cannot remove. Oh, can. Yeah, ta-da. Okay, so this is how it looks like once it's packed. Okay, so you can actually hand carry it this way if you don't wish to actually carry it from the bag itself. Okay, so there's two slots for you to actually place your water bottle here, just one here and the other one, right? So sadly for this button here, it's just to show the brand. There's nothing else. It's not on a warm button. That's nothing. Okay, so for the hook to actually remove the cover, the top cover, to unzip the bag will be just by pressing down and it's up. Okay, so to place it back, it's magnetic. That's one good thing about it. 1, 2, 3. Okay, it's locked. Right, so now what we're going to do is, this is will be the second bag from Divoom itself. Okay, and it's the third generation, and it's called Pixel Sling Bag, innovative smart LED sling bag. Right, so here it is. Okay. So what comes inside the box will be the bag itself. That's all. Throw this box away. Don't. And then what we're gonna do, just open up this bag. Alright, so this is the bag itself. So there's a reflective feel here, which when you cycle at night or while you are walking at night, will be slightly bright. Okay. So that's total of 2 zips or 2 zippers here. One here try it. Let's see what's inside. Okay, this will be for the first zipper, or for the first pouch. So, okay. So it comes with the USB cable again. This is to light up the LED front, and followed by the second zipper, which is considered quite big for small size. And we have a keychain holder again that comes with a retractable keychain from Divoom itself, I guess. So it comes with two pockets, two small pockets, and basically, let's see. It's stuck together. Okay, so we just open up this, make it fast. Okay, so this is the back handle, the pouch handle by Divoom itself. And lastly, the third zip pouch will be at the back, where you can actually place your passports, your mobile phone devices, or anything that is personal. So people won't be able to actually unzip the bag and take it from you. So now what we're going to do is we're going to try to power on this LED here and to see what's gonna happen. So stay tuned. Alright guys, so basically we've already hooked up with the power bank, okay, which is placed inside the pouch, as you can see there, right, just over here. Okay. So this is how it looks like. Yeah. Right. So with the Divoom app again, what we can do is can design your own. There's animation, there's text editor, and then we can actually customize our own. Right, at the moment it's still new, so basically they are updating. So we can actually, yeah, this is good for basically who's people who actually cycling. So while you're cycling at one corner, you can actually show the signal. You can go to the left, you can go to the right, and then if you are stopping, you can actually just change it to stop. So people from the back will actually be able to read it, and then they will stop eventually. So, and if they don't stop, or if you have any friends who's right behind you who doesn't talk to you, what you can do is you can actually do this. Hi. You can say hi to them. So, there's an emoji, that's for kissing, a cool effect of emoji, and lastly, the heartbeat. And at the same time also, with the app, you can actually customize your own. Okay, so you can just press the add button here. So here you go. So you can actually choose whatever designs or template that actually pre-stored inside, or you can design on your own if you are artist. Okay, like for example, let's try one of these, and followed by Spider-Man, and how about Panda? Okay. And last we'll just put as number one that as this is Father's Day gift, right? So what you can do is you can actually upload it to the device, and while sending to the device, this is how it looks like. Captain America, Spider-Man, followed by the panda, the one that we chose, and lastly will be the number one there. Okay, so to compare whether is it big or not, what we're gonna do is we're gonna put side by side with the Gregory bag. Alright guys, so basically this is the Divoom bag, Piso sling bag, and this is the Gregory bag. So let me put it slightly higher to see whether it's about the same. Okay guys, so this is the Divoom Pixel sling bag and compared to the Gregory M size bag. Okay, so let me put it slightly higher so you guys can see. So it's about similar, about the same. Okay, so you guys can actually choose whether you prefer to get the sling bag here, Pixel sling bag, or the Gregory bag. As the price is about the same. Okay, it's about $5 to $10 difference. Yeah. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. So basically today we're introducing the Divoom backpacks and followed by the Pixel sling bag. So don't forget to subscribe to Aisha, Rihanna and Amin YouTube channel. So stay tuned.